Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on this button with a square icon. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the recents. So all previously opened apps, they are stored in this section. If you want to, you can close only one of those apps or two of them, it's up to you. You've got plenty of options to remove them, because you can swipe them to the right, you can swipe them to the left, or simply use this X button. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you want to close all of them with only one click, just tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.